Hey everyone, the Dreame X60 Ultra Complete is not the kind of robot vacuum you buy simply because you want something that can pick up a little dust while you are away from home. This is a flagship cleaning system designed for large homes, demanding users, pet owners, and anyone who wants the closest thing possible to fully automated floor care. The complete version makes that clear immediately. The box is packed with spare brushes, extra mops, filters, cleaning tools, and accessories. But the real value here is not the extras, it is the technology packed into the robot itself. The Dreame X60 Ultra Complete is one of the most advanced robot vacuum cleaners currently available, designed for users who want maximum automation and minimal maintenance. One of the standout features of the X60 Ultra Complete is its innovative VersaLift navigation system. Unlike traditional robot vacuums with a permanently raised LiDAR sensor, the Dreame can lower its sensor module when approaching low furniture. This reduces the robot's height to just 7.95 centimeters, allowing it to clean under beds, sofas, cabinets, and other areas that are often inaccessible to competing models. Navigation remains highly accurate thanks to a combination of LiDAR and AI-powered cameras. The robot can recognize more than 280 different types of objects, including cables, toys, pet accessories, and other obstacles. An LED light also improves obstacle detection in darker areas of the home. Cleaning performance is equally impressive. Dreame equips the X60 Ultra Complete with its VorMax suction system, delivering up to 35,000 pascals of suction power. This allows the robot to handle everything from fine dust to pet hair, crumbs, and debris trapped in floor gaps or carpets. The dual-brush DuoBrush 2.0 system is specifically designed to reduce hair tangling, making it especially useful for households with pets. The robot also excels at wet cleaning. Its dual rotating mops maintain strong contact with the floor and can extend beyond the body to reach edges and baseboards more effectively. Heated mopping technology helps tackle stubborn stains and dried dirt, providing results that feel closer to traditional floor washing than standard robotic mopping. Another major advantage is obstacle climbing. Thanks to the ProLeap system, the X60 Ultra Complete can overcome thresholds up to 4.5 centimeters high and handle more complex floor transitions that would stop many other robot vacuums. The docking station plays a huge role in the overall experience. It automatically empties dust, washes the mops with hot water, dries them with hot air, refills clean water, and collects dirty water. With optional plumbing accessories, the station can be connected directly to a water supply, reducing maintenance to little more than occasionally replacing the dust bag. Battery life is strong thanks to the 6,400 mAh battery, with up to 165 minutes of runtime, depending on cleaning mode and floor conditions. Fast charging helps reduce downtime between cleaning sessions. In everyday use, the Dreame X60 Ultra Complete feels like a true flagship robot vacuum. Its intelligent navigation, powerful suction, advanced mopping system, excellent obstacle handling, and nearly hands-free maintenance make it an outstanding solution for large homes, pet owners, and anyone looking for a premium automated cleaning experience. While it comes at a premium price, it delivers some of the most comprehensive cleaning technology available in the robot vacuum market today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.